What's up, my beautiful vibes fam? Welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes, it is a must. Welcome back to another video, vibes fam. Check out this jerk chicken wrap. I mean, look at it, so succulent. But here are my ingredients. I have some lettuce, cucumber, some whole lettuce, mayonnaise, of course, tomato, I mean everything, some chicken. You can't leave out that succulent chicken. And of course, I'm using wheat and white wrap. You can use wheat wrap or white wrap if you want. I like to use the combo. Yes, so let's construct this wrap. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So first, I'm going in with my jerk chicken. I will link the video down below of how I season it and also of how I made the jerk chicken, right? Yes, it is boneless, of course. So now I'm going in with some, what you call it, jerk sauce. Oh my goodness. Now if you don't want to use jerk sauce or you don't have jerk sauce, go ahead and use some barbecue sauce. That is okay. But and I'm going in with some lettuce that I cut up. So I cut up some and I have some whole. My. Next, we're going in with some tomato. Yes, load it up, stack it up. And of course, you know you want it juicy. When you bite into it, you want it juicy. For me, it has to have mayo in it. I mean, there's just no going around it. So add what you like. And I'm going in with some cucumber. I don't think mustard, I wouldn't like mustard in something like this. But if you do, then add it. As I always say, you must enjoy your food. So add what you like to your food. So go ahead and wrap it up, roll it up, tuck in the sides. You don't have to tuck in both sides, but I'm tucking in both sides on this one, right? So yeah, look at it, all done. And now let me show you another one. So go ahead, stack up the chicken, load it up like a nice fat country bus. Then we go in with our jerk sauce. Yes, load it up with the jerk sauce. And then I'm going in with the lettuce. This one is whole. Then, of course, some mayonnaise. So, as I said, you can cut up the lettuce or leave the lettuce whole, right? Some cucumber, more mayo again. I love mayo in sandwiches and in wraps. And, of course, some cucumber and roll it up. Yes, vibes fam, and that is us. We are all done. And vibes fam, here we have it. Here we have this succulent jerk chicken wrap. Look at it, vibes fam. Oh my goodness, do you see that barbecue sauce speaking out? And look at the chicken. Remember in the last video I told you the chicken wasn't dry, vibes fam. Look at it. Oh my goodness, yes. And I love seeing the little sauce peeking out. And then I have some on the side because you know you're going to dip. Whether you're going to dip or you're going to throw, like pour some on it. But look at the chicken vibe, some cook to perfection, not dry. I mean, oh my god, my, look at those, look at the chicken. Come on, step out with your nice looking self, chicken. Step out with your nice looking self, you little wrap. You look so good. Oh my good vibe, Sam. It is nice like sugar and spice. Tastes so good. But thank you so much for watching. Please check out the other videos down below. I will link them down below in the description box. Please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Sometimes you're watching and you're not subscribed. Please subscribe, and remember, it helps my channel when you click the thumbs up. And also turn on your post notification bell. Make sure, click the bell and make sure it is on all so you can be notified when I post new content. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you. God bless you.